Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So as you can tell, I'm at my new apartment and I'm going to be filming an empty apartment tour today. I wanted to do this when it was actually empty. I don't have furniture yet, but I do have a lot of boxes and crap here. I wanted to film it when it was actually empty, but unfortunately it was just so hectic and there was just no time and it just didn't end up happening. But it's still pretty much quite empty. Like I said, there's no furniture or anything. So I'm gonna give you like an overview of the apartment, just a bit more detail than I did in the vlogs. I thought that would be really fun. And then also talk about some of my ideas. Yeah, I think that'll just be nice. I don't know, I've always wanted to do like an empty apartment tour, and last time I moved I also wasn't really able to do it, and this time I was like, oh, it kind of feels like it's not working out again, but I still am going to try to make it work. So I am going to do it today. And before we get into it, I want to talk about today's sponsor, which is Karma. So Karma is an app and Chrome extension that will notify you whenever things go on sale, are discounted, or you can use it to save items to a wish list and kind of more organize the things that you're buying or that you want to buy. And they also have a feature where they can like find coupon codes for you, which is probably my favorite feature. I feel like I use that the most. And I think Karma is a great sponsor for this video because moving is so expensive. Being able to find discount codes or even just find out when something is discounted when you're moving is so good. Up until now, I've kind of always used Karma for fashion and like buying clothes, but like I said, they will come in handy when it comes to buying furniture or just like household stuff, like even like kitchen stuff. I actually had to look on their website to kind of see what home stuff or like home brands they have, and there's definitely a lot on there. I still have to order a lot of stuff, and on every website I use, I'm gonna be using Karma to see if there's any coupon codes or anything. So I'm going to quickly show you how Karma actually works and how I like to use it, and then we'll go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is download the Google Chrome extension. You can find this on Karma's homepage or go to the Google Chrome store. Now you want to visit your favorite stores, and once you find an item you want to save, you can choose when you want to get notified and also add it to one of your wish lists. You can get notifications via email or mobile push when an item you've saved goes on sale, has a relevant coupon, or comes back in stock. You can plan your shopping by organizing items into multiple wish lists. Here's my current apartment wish list. Karma scans the web for coupon codes and applies them at checkout automatically. This is a special feature if you use Karma on your computer, so the Chrome extension is a must. When you shop from select retail partners, Karma gives cash back to you and to a good cause. This way you can save money while also giving back. If you're interested in downloading Karma, I will have a link in the description down below which you can use. It's all free, it saves you money. Who doesn't love that? Thank you so much to Karma for sponsoring this video, and let's go ahead and get into the empty apartment tour. So when you walk into the apartment, this is what you see. Over here, I have a little nook in my hallway. As you can tell, there's a bunch of boxes here, and I also have 2 boxes of decor. I'm gonna have like some coats here, just kind of have like an entry nook here, maybe put like a mirror or something, I don't know yet. I still have to figure this one out. But then over here on the right, I have my bathroom. So when you walk in, this is what you see. I don't really have much yet. I bought a, oh my god, do you guys see this? Are you fucking kidding me? I've talked about this in a vlog before. This whole apartment has 222 and 22 and anything 2 like written all over it, and it's like, I'm gonna tell this story another time. I literally can't think anymore, but I got something to put here. I'll put the name on the screen because like my head's like so like, I feel like I can't think anymore. Basically in there I'm gonna have like my towels and stuff. I'm thinking of also getting some drawers for underneath here. I just have to measure and make sure that the one I want to order fits. And then on this side I want to put some hooks for like my robe and like a towel. This is my shower. I already hung these up, which are gonna be great. I might even get another one. I just want to have like my hair products and everything, just like have room for everything, but I feel like this is gonna be good enough. And then we continue and we have the toilet, which is great. I got a light up there. This one I can also like dim and stuff. Like, who wants to sit in like a super bright toilet when it's like the middle of the night? I basically got hue lights or like smart lights all over the place so that I can use the app for it. This is my storage. It's a mess right now. I made these two today, these shelves. And it's definitely not organized yet. I'm gonna get like really cute containers for my food, and I'm gonna get a bunch more of these. This is just what I already had, and I was like, let me first see if they fit, and they fit really nice. Like 3 of them fit so well in there, so I'm definitely gonna get more. They're from IKEA. In here I'm just gonna have like food, but also stuff like my mixer and like, I don't know, just try to make this as efficient as possible and store away some of my stuff. This thing's like so ugly. I can't do much about that. Here's my washer and dryer. I just did my first load of laundry. I got this put in today. Love it so much. It's from Samsung, both of them. And I should be able to also connect these with an app, which I think is going to be really nice when I'm like out and about or something. And also just, I like doing things digitally because I'm lazy as fuck. This is going to be my little laundry corner. I already did this, which is very corny, I know, but I don't care. Again, everything needs organizing. Like this whole thing is just a mess right now, but you know, you get the vision. I feel like especially this, I think this is just gonna look so nice once it's done. I cannot wait. Then we continue into my bedroom. So my bed is gonna go on this side because I want a nice view. You can't see it now, but there's a beautiful view on that side. I'm still looking for a dresser to put in front of it, and then my desk I'm gonna build later on this week and paint it like this cream slash beige. It's like a very light kind of yellowy creamy color. And I'm gonna have my PC set up. This is from my TV. It's not in there. I need to throw this out. I think in this corner I'm gonna have my makeup drawers. I'm not fully sure yet. I have like a lot of space in my bedroom to fill, so I'm honestly just gonna wait until my furniture is in and then kind of figure out what goes where. But I'm definitely putting my bed over here, I'm sure about that. So this is my office. I already have some clothes over here. This is a great hack, by the way. Definitely try it out. I never thought I was gonna actually enjoy it, but it's great. I'm gonna have my desk along the window, and then I'm probably gonna have my closet along this side. I want to get like shelves for my shoes and bags to go on the other wall, which is not going to be as deep as my closet, but it is also going to be the IKEA packs. But a few of the shelves, like I wanted to get some glass shelves, and a few of them were sold out, so I'm just waiting for that to be back in stock before I order. But I think that's going to go on like the opposite side of my closet, I think. And besides that, I'm not really sure what I'm doing yet. This lamp is from H&M Home. Very pretty. It's kind of like ceramic. Love it so much. That's also a hue light, by the way, so I can make this like pink and stuff. We move over to the living room. This is a mess right now. I've been kind of working on my kitchen. All of this needs to go in my dishwasher. I just had to clean it first, do like a round of cleaning. And it was still going, but I turned it off because it was so loud and I couldn't film. So I'm gonna turn that back on. Probably when I get back home from Germany, I'm gonna pop everything in. But I got like a bunch of stuff. I kind of put some stuff away on top. That's gonna get organized, and I'm gonna get, again, containers for stuff. This I'm not sure about yet. I have some new plates and stuff coming in because these are kind of cheap, and like I don't hate them. I'm definitely keeping it, but I wanted to get some prettier ones, so that's coming in I think today, but I'm not gonna be home for it. And I also got some more mugs and stuff. I'm basically gonna put that over here, but I still need to, again, organize this, see what's like easiest for me. But this thing is really fun. I've never had one of these. I obviously have a sink, dishwasher. Underneath here, I have space for cleaning stuff. I have more space down here. This is like a microwave oven, like combo, which I kind of hate, but I'll just have to get used to it. Also, don't really have a big drawer anymore, so I'm gonna have to figure out where to put all my stuff. I might have to just get one of those containers to put little utensils and stuff in, because it's not, like I have even more stuff over here that's like not gonna fit into my drawer. So I'll have to figure that one out. I don't know yet, but down here I have more space. I think I'm gonna put like my pots and pans here once they're clean. And I obviously have my fridge, which is quite empty. It just has some stuff from the past few days. I got this cute little egg thing. I cannot wait to buy eggs so I can put it in there. And then obviously I have a freezer, has these in there. When am I not eating those, right? The trash can's probably gonna go on the other side. Over here, I still need to find like a really nice shelving unit that I'm gonna put here. I did find one that I kind of liked. I'll pop it on the screen. Not sure if I'm getting it, but it's the only one that I'm loving at the moment, but I'm still looking because I just want to find the perfect one. My dining table is coming in this week, probably on like Friday or something, or Saturday. It's gonna go over here with my dining chairs that I already have. Then my couch is gonna go like that. I'm gonna be tiling my console table this week. I just haven't had time yet. My TV's already hung up. I already got everything connected and stuff. I just took it out because it needed to be hung up today. I'm still gonna be spray painting this. I just haven't gotten around to it, and I haven't bought in a spray paint yet because I don't know what color I want to do it. Like, at first I wanted to do like a pop of color, but I'm not sure what color, so let me know if you have any ideas. I'm gonna get a record player and like put all my vinyls underneath. I think it's just gonna be so fun. And I also think I want to get a floor lamp to go in this corner behind it. I think that'll just kind of create like a nice vibe at night. And then once this is tiled, I'm gonna be putting like decor on there, which I think will be fun. So yeah, I think that's kind of it. My windows are very dirty. They will also get cleaned later on this week so that I can actually enjoy this view. So that is kind of it for my empty apartment tour. Let me know down below if you have any fun ideas for like decor or furniture that I can do in this place, or send me like a DM on Instagram or something. Just send me inspo if you have anything. I'm always down to see it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to download Karma if you want to save money shopping, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.